he will give a lot of a small nest will create. Then afterwards, it will come out as a butterfly. That means when the final year will come, then you will come like a butterfly. So if the butterflies are variant, no, a good colors are there and good bad colors are there. All butterflies are not the same because it has developed its own colors. Similarly, the college is given you a knowledge. College is giving you a good knowledge, but attitude he will give you. Who will give you? So attitude is very, very important. That is called ask principle. A-S-K. Attitude, skill and knowledge. Now you are gaining knowledge. No doubt in it. You will become a certified welder. You become an engineer. But who will give you the attitude? Attitude only gives by yourself. That means you should brand yourself. Can you brand yourself? You cannot choose where you want to born. You cannot choose to whom you have to born. Can you choose your parents? Can you choose the location? But now you can choose what you want to be. That means you develop knowledge, but only one thing is that you want to brand yourself. Suppose a lover want to be very happy, when what you will give? A chocolate will be given, suppose. What chocolate you will give? Cadbury's chocolate. That means that is a brand. Similarly, a Coca-Cola or Pepsi, that means it is a brand. So you may say that they are products. No, they are products. But it has its own goodwill. That is a brand. Similarly, man, we are there. I am also a brand. No doubt there are many of these scholars are there, Hitler scholars are there. But why Panduranga Rao, Sanjeev Rao, Rashid, why they have called? Yes, undoubtedly they are also a good brand people in the industry. Similarly, why you don't want to develop as a brand? You might have taken a mechanical engineer. By chance they might have taken a civil engineering. By chance they have taken any electrical engineer. So by chance or by vision you might have taken. But there is no other go. When you are going to that stage, so similarly, you have to go in that lines. Then your concentration will be on that particular branch and only thing you will be chosen. There is no depth of jobs. There is no depth of jobs anywhere in the globe. Only thing is, but many of the people left their institutions, left their industries. Why? They were not able to adapt themselves for the environment in the industry. Because their vision is very low, very short vision, very short goal. By chance they might have got the job. No, you don't do that. Only thing is you create your vision, you create your own brand. That, oh, Mr. So-and-so, yeah, Abdul means he is a good communicator. Abdul means he is a good presenter. Abdul means he is a good problem solver. Yes, he is a very good communicator, so that he will be very useful to our institution or very useful to our industry. Like that, you have to create your own image. That for that, you should develop your own mental health, physical health, intellectual health, and also spiritual health. These are very, very necessary. So, brand yourself and then only you can go. Now, my request is a very good institute. Rather, whatever the statistics he has given that the students are coming out from this college or become leaders of this nation. So, you also become a national leader. How? Well, by setting your own goal. Today, because of the annual day, you set your goal today. You deserve yourself. Then set your goal and travel for that. Don't deviate for that one. Then your goal will become strong, your mission will become strong, your vision will become strong, and people like from us, that like an industrialist will come and you here onwards, from today onwards, you set your goal, what you want to be. For that you develop your attitude. For that you develop your all skills. Knowledge is anyway you are gaining from your book, but skill and attitude you develop and definitely you will become a good leader for this nation. Thank you very much for the great vision that developed by our Kuchin sir and also Best of luck that you will become a good leaders of this institution. Thank you very much for this opportunity given to me.
Thank you, sir. We are highly provoked. Now, I request our next special invitee, Mr. D. Srinivas, sir, to speak a valuable words to visualize success. Sir, please.
Good evening, one and all. Let me take a cue from my mentor, Mr. Rashid. So I want a huge round of good evening from you. Good evening, boys. Hey guys, good evening, huh? Right. I want this statement from you. I give a statement, from there you start the statement, okay? This is my college. This is my college. I want this statement from you all. This is my college. I am proud of my college. My college is proud of me. For this statement, I want to applaud. Huge round of applause for this statement. Now the question is why? I am no HR. I am from teaching fraternity. I started moving from teaching at times to the corporates, and I was requesting my students to get into the corporates. The first go what my respective corporate friends asked me is, how capable are your students? I felt a slap on my face. So I started requesting the HR, what do you expect from them? They said, can your students talk at least for 90 seconds? You know, jam session, just a minute. It is 60 seconds. The topic given is another 30 seconds. Can they utilize this time? For my dismay, they said, he scrutinized any resume within 17 seconds. 17 years of education is scrutinized in 17 seconds. The reason is, the appearance of the student is bad. The focus of the student is not correct. The inputs given to the students is excellent from the faculty, but no student goes and appears the faculty. At the same time, 4 years of engineering or 6 years of MTech, students are not coming in the form of batches to request the companies for a field work. What is this? This is the pathetic situation. As a faculty, I felt bad because the faculty are like parents to students. Yes or no? Yes. In that record, please form groups. Go to each and every respective sector. If you are civil, know at least 10 to 15 companies. Do a homework. If it is there from your behalf, I request the civil respective industria, Mr. Rashid, Mr. Panduranga, I request, please come back to this prestigious institution to give them what exactly this student fraternity want in civil department. Likewise, if you have friends in mechanical or computer science or any other facets or branches, please send them. Please call, it is you to get jobs. Then I say, I'll come back to my statement. Then say, this is my college. Please repeat this. This is my college. I am proud of my college. My college is proud of me because before you leave your engineering in the 4th year, you need to settle down. After engineering, I'll give you in writing, nobody will give you a job. Before engineering, you need to get a job. That is known as campus placements. Else, no HR touches you. Even the security guard says you are outdated. To be proud, to make your parents proud, to make your college proud, to make your respective teaching fraternity proud, and to make this industry proud, I believe in this as a student, as a faculty, as a HR, this is the reality. I believe and with a gut feeling I say, this is industria, this is academy. Hope you take this is not an advice, this is the reality. Okay, one of the gentlemen here was talking about global competition. I am from Warangal, village rustic. When I was just crossing Amberpet, I saw a Kabristan where there is a huge green color board stating that we don't have place bury the dead body. That is the competition in the grave. If that is for the dead, just imagine what is the competition for the alive. Just imagine what is the competition for the alive. Please, ladies and gentlemen, make your country proud, make your parents proud. Most of our parents didn't study, but you are fortunate to study in such a prestigious institution. I think you feel proud. One respectful request from my side, please raise your hands like this. Please raise your hands like this, everybody. Just turn it back, tap yourself and say, I'm a proud engineer. But before you leave this institution, be proud and make this institution proud. Thank you very much for giving this wonderful opportunity.
Friends, as Mr. Srinivas, my colleague said, I am ready to, since I am from the civil engineering industry, right? We do the business in the water, the roads, transportation, tunnels, mines, buildings, airports. These are all the sectors where we work. We are in the field since the last 25 years. But understand, in the corporate sector, it's not the college where you can behave as you like, right? If at all you guys are really interested, talk to your civil engineering department, let them contact me. I am ready to take them for the 2 months project works. And at the same time, if the people are good, I am ready to confirm them into my organization. Thank you very much.
The purpose for we coming here, I think, met. Boys, you're getting projects from civil engineering. Hope with other departments also. Thank you very much for this fantastic opportunity. A request is, give a huge round of applause to all the respective dignitaries on the line with a standing ovation. With a standing ovation, please. I believe this is the motivation. Be proud. Thank you very much for this.
Thank you, sir. Now, I invite Aman Raghunath and Mohammad Junaid to continue the hosting. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Mumtaz and Nagasri.
Images are conducive to growth, expansion, and success. It anticipates happiness and joy.
Now, it's time for prize distribution. I request with our chairman, Syed Khurshid Ahmed sir, to distribute the academic prizes.
And the academic prizes for given. Second year topper Amarjit Kumar, Mechanical Branch.
Please come fast. Mr. Amarjit Kumar, Mechanical Branch.
Of Mechanical Branch, please come on to the dais.
I request with all the prize winners to come aside. Now I invite 4th year topper Miss Kauthar Fatima, ECE branch.
I request college topper Sabir Razak Qureshi of Mechanical Branch to come on the dais.
Come fast, please. Come on, guys. Give a big round of applause. Request our chief guest, Mr. Zafar Javed sir, to give a prize for paper presentation. The runner of paper.
Hello. My dear students, don't make it delay. Who are the prize winners, please come near the dais. All the prize winners, please come near the dais. Don't waste the time.
Akif Jamal, the winner of paper presentation, Kamil Imam, third year mechanical. Kamil Imam, third year mechanical.
Now the winners of poster presentation are the runners up Muhammad Shahideen of third year mechanical. Please come on to the dais. Muhammad Shahideen, please come on the dais. Faster. And the winner is Kamil Imam of third year mechanical. The topper in physics. The topper in physics, second year civil, Paleda Apala Naidu. Please come out of the dais.